welcome to my channel. My name is Glam Donna. I like to wear all kinds of sparkly makeup when I do my makeup. I don't do it all the time, but when I do it, it's razzle dazzle, as I've heard another creator call it. So today we're going to be reviewing, let me see if I can get it, the Seoul Beauty Box. And this is a really nice box because you get 5 full-size products, and they'll pick some for you based on the profile that you took when you signed up, or you can pick the 5 products that you want, and that's what I did this time. So the first thing that I got was House of Balance New Day Herbal Deodorant, and this, you can see, this is what it looks like. And it's a roll-on that smells absolutely amazing. I'm using a roll-on deodorant now that actually holds up for quite a long time by Saltaire. by Saltaire. And this one, definitely thinking of using this one too. And it says, oh, it says shake well, whoops. Gotta remember to do that. On the inside of the box it says, this clear deodorant gel enriched with grounding bergamot essential oils help you start your day with focus and clarity. It also contains fucoidan and vitamin C for extra care and protection. Very excited to try this one. I have been using spray deodorants and I don't know, just doesn't seem to work. Next we have the Deep Collagen Silk Peptide Intensive Ampoule by Sungboon Editor. There we go. And this is an interesting little combination here. So it comes together like this. And what's interesting, I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to take it out because I think it's easier to keep it in there. But if you see it, you can see little strings in there. And it just looks funny. Strings with little beads, and then you have like not a needle but an injection. So you put it in here, pull it up, get the product out, and then you get enough to it's like a serum, only this is called a silk peptide intensive ampule. I do like ampules because they do really help my face stay soft and smooth, and it doesn't dry it out. Next, from Sungboon Editor, which is what I think, yeah, the last product came from, we have Power Boosting Cream, Serum, and Deep Collagen. So here's what that looks like. And this just looks really great. Does it say shake before using? After toner, take a, okay. So it doesn't, it's very watery. And so I wouldn't consider this would be a great serum, but it's not, it's something that you would put on after you use, after you use toner. You always have to use a toner after you clean your face just to get it prepared for the rest of your skincare. Let me see if it says anything about it. It just has ingredients. Nope. It's just anything with collagen in the title is always going to be good, because as we age, we tend to lose some of that elasticity in our, not because we're not taking care of ourselves, but because that's just part of life. Next, I have, I'm going to call it Keyth. Colored Keyth Pink Flower Tone Up Primer. So I would say that says Keyth. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully it's showing the right way on the camera. And this is a tone-up primer that brightens and corrects sun tone, delivering a balanced finish. Pink Flower Tone-Up Primer comes in a silky formula with zero clumping, stickiness, or powder dust. For smooth, even application, effectively prepping skin for daily makeup. And this is kind of a nice, pretty good size. So that's what it looks like. Oh, and it's a pump. I love stuff when they're a pump. I hate when you gotta take the cap off and put it down your face, or put it on your face and figure it out. So that's nice. I'm anxious to try this too. I'm telling you, this is a great box. And everything that I'm showing you, I picked. They had picked out something for me, but I decided I know what I want, because sometimes I already have the stuff that they've picked for me. And so this next product is by PODL 2X Fresh Balm to Foam Cleanser. And the reason why I got this is because when I wear makeup, I take it off with a cleansing balm. A lot of people have an issue with cleansing balm because you can take your eye makeup off as well. But with this one, I never had trouble with it in my eyes, so I don't have a problem with a cleansing gel or cleansing balms. But this one actually cleans as it removes makeup. So it just, I want to see where it says that, because I know it's a one-step cleansing that purifies and refines your skin. A rich balm that melts on and transforms into a soft foam with water, removing makeup, excess oil, and dead skin cells without the need for a double cleanse. So if I can take a step out of my nighttime cleansing, taking my makeup off, for sure I'm going to use this. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I've touched around it with my finger. It's really soft, and you don't even need as much as you would when you use a cleansing balm. So I'm anxious to try. And again, I picked all these items because this is what I wanted from the box. So there you go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, and for I think it's $69. So that makes them all. I mean, and they're expensive. If you go check them out on Amazon or wherever you get your K Beauty from, they're expensive. I'm really obsessed with this deodorant. Oh my god, it smells so good. Seriously, it smells really good. I wonder why you have to shake it. Oh, there's little bubbles in it. Anyway, I'm getting away from the thing. This is the box that I picked for June, and it comes pretty quickly after you make your selection. They send it out really quick. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing. It's free. And then giving this video a like, thumbs up, and leave me a comment saying you're interested in more of Korean beauty. And thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.